Hi there. Today we're going to demonstrate how to register an account with EcoBrain if you already have a Forkball shop. Uh, so first go to ecobrain.com/admin/register, and then you'll get this form right here. Then enter your shop name, which you can get from your Forkball shop's admin, and after that enter your shop domain, which you can also get from your Forkball shop's admin. So how you can do this is, if you already have a Forkball shop, you don't get your Forkball shop name from here. So I'm gonna get it from there, and I'm gonna paste it here. And then the shop domain you can also get from here. So I'm gonna copy this and paste it here. See? Yes. And so this can be either your platform internal domain or your actual domain. In this case, we're just getting what we get from Forkball's admin and putting it right here. Then you're gonna need to enter your information. So in this case, we're gonna fill it out with our information, and then our username can be this, and email address can be this as well. And we're gonna set up a password and confirm the password. Once we hit the sign up button, we're gonna get a code in this email address, and then we're gonna need that code. We're gonna need to enter that code in the next screen. So just a second. So we checked our email and we actually got a code from we got an email from EcoBrain with a code. So just copy that code and paste it in here, making sure you take into account capitalized and lowercase and uppercase letters, and then hit on this button to activate your account. Once your account has been activated, you can click on this login button and actually log in with the username and password that you chose when you registered. And that's it. This is how you register for an EcoBrain account.